Hello guys, welcome back to another video and then another trade. So today I'll walk you through the trade I took today on London session. This was on Australian dollar Japanese yen. So we had here we are on the daily chart and I'll walk you through the thoughts did I thought and how did I place the trade. So today, as you can see, we had here this fair value gap here and was touched by the candle, the daily candle of today, the 14, was touched very well and respected. So when I saw this, I thought we are bullish to take this high right here, this external range liquidity. So I went to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, as you can see here, we touched on the Asian session. It changed the current state of the market here, and we went to a market strategy shift here. So I saw this, and I was on, like I said, I was on London session, so I started looking around 2 a.m. New York time. So you can see I was watching around here, okay? And I'll walk you through this. Just let me delete this here. So I saw this market structure shift here. Let me put this here. Then I saw this fair value gap here open. Then I saw this movement here, and let me think. Okay, so this will be a breakaway gap, and this will be our top priority now. So I went to the 5 minute time frame and went looking for ideas. I was expecting this to be on the intermediate time frame to be respected here, as you can see, was perfectly respected, and go to our first target of liquidity, buy side liquidity, that this was here. Okay, so we had this breakaway gap touching our priority was now here, went through the long session. You can see the long session started here, 2 p.m. Eastern New York time. Okay, as you can see, let me just check one thing. Yes, this was the candle. This was at 3 a.m. Okay, so this was the candle that was formed here, and around 3 a.m. here, I was looking for down movement to touch this. This gap here to go to the upside. Okay, so in 3 a.m. it was the next hourly candle, went through here, had a turtle soup here, as you can see. We had this turtle soup. Just let me search for this. Just a moment. Here we had this turtle soup here. And look, when this happened, it was really taken, so it went to the upside. As you can see, perfectly respected, not close below this liquidity here, and went to the upside. Okay, so I saw this as a breaker, a bullish breaker in our favor. So I saw a fair value gap here too. So I saw this as a unicorn. This was a unicorn breaker, a unicorn setup, a fair value gap inside the breaker. Okay, so I put my entry here on this candle right here, put my stop a bit below the break, something like this, because I was expecting this because we had this order block to be respected. So I put my stop right around here and placed my TP on the first buy side liquidity target that was here. Here, like this. As you can see, was perfectly respected after touching the fair value gap around 3 times. Went have a great impulse on the closing of the London Hill Zone session and went perfect to the upside, taking the first liquidity target. As you can see, if we target our second and last liquidity run, the liquidity stop was perfectly respected too. It ended on the New York session, so it was perfectly either way. But I will prefer just to close on my first target. We had a perfectly 2 RR, so that was my target all along. So it was a perfectly good trade. Nothing to say about it. It was a good trade on the market maker buy model. We had our sell buy side of the curve moving perfectly according to the price action, so it was a perfectly nice execution. Thank you guys, see you on the next video.